This segment sponsored by Nugen Law.
Today we're going to talk about protecting your assets as you age, and I'm so excited to speak with Bryan Nugen, an attorney at Nugen Law. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, doing well, thank you.
Great.
Yes, so let's kick it off and dive right in. Please share with us, what is elder law?
So elder law, we think about traditional estate planning, which is when you're passing, where do your assets go? Are you going through probate, not going through probate? Elder law includes that, but it includes so much more.
Yeah.
It also includes protecting assets. So as you age, if you need help in the home, or if you have an out-of-home placement at a nursing home memory care unit, or you opt to move into something like assisted living, how is it that we protect our assets and still get those benefits to pay for that stay, to pay for that in-home care? So elder law is so much more than just estate planning. It's really looking for us as we age, protecting of assets, and transitioning our wealth to the next generation successfully.
Yes, and it's so interesting. When we spoke before, I just found this topic fascinating.
Thank you.
Love the services that you offer.
I appreciate that.
So I'm excited to dive deeper into it and
Please.
really just inform our audience, when is the best time to speak to someone if they are interested in protecting their assets?
Great question. So when we're looking at asset protection, typically my clients that are coming in, that as they are starting to mature, 60s, maybe early 70s, they're recognizing that maybe some of their friends or their family members have had an out-of-home placement or have needed care in the home, and it really drained their resources. So we can look at protecting of assets in advance. I like to call that pre-care planning. So in advance, 5 years or more before you may need the assistance. But it's really never too late. You can always protect assets, even if somebody has already entered the nursing home or maybe entering the nursing home in the very near future, someone that may be moving into an assisted living facility or may need care in the home in the very near future. We still can protect assets even if we didn't do that pre-care planning as I was talking about before.
Right, yes. And so let's dive deeper into the elder law topic and really just understanding those who may have heard of it but may not know how it applies directly to them. Can you give some examples?
If you're looking for who it affects, it would be anyone in our population that's aging, that's thinking about, gosh, I may need a little bit of extra help at home. I may need help understanding Medicare. I may need help understanding Veterans Administration, VA benefits. I may need help understanding Medicaid benefits.
Right.
As well as my estate planning, a traditional will, a traditional trust, those types of things. So elder law covers a huge category of topics for folks as they're aging. And as I'm sure you're aware, we have our population is aging very rapidly right now with the baby boomers.
Right.
Around 10,000 people a day hit the age of 65, and we haven't hit our peak yet.
Yeah.
So it affects a significant portion of our population.
Well, I would say aging rapidly and quite gracefully, I must say.
There you go.
Everyone's looking so great. I can't even believe it.
In my world, not only gracefully, of course, but we want to have them in charge of their own destiny. We want to make sure that our clients are respected and they are made a part of the decision making with how they protect their assets, the care that they're receiving. So to your earlier question about when is it that someone should be speaking with an elder law attorney, it's as early as possible so that we can get the best benefits for you possible, get the best protection in place for you as possible as well.
Yeah, and I'm sure that you are asked many questions as people come in and just try to figure out what all they can get and what you offer. So let's say that someone gets approved for Medicaid benefits.
Yes.
What type of services can they expect from that?
So I think we can probably look at three general categories. The first is in-home care. So if you're approved for Medicaid benefits, we're protecting assets, you're approved for Medicaid benefits, there's something called a waiver program. So that Medicaid waiver will actually provide care for you in your own home. So that service will pay for attendants to come into your home, will make sure that you are ready for the day, meal preparation, it could be assistance with bathing, dressing, medication reminders, cleaning of your home. The main focus is on you, but if you are approved for those Medicaid benefits, you can get the care in your home. The concept is we want you to remain there as long as possible for the remainder of your life if that's most appropriate for you.
Right.
And next program I would like to talk about is we have something in Allen County called PACE, P-A-C-E. It's a beautiful program that's kind of a hybrid between a nursing home and in-home. So this program you have a facility to go to on a weekly basis if you'd like to. It is not adult daycare. At the PACE facility, they have medical care on staff, they have PT, OT on staff, physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy on staff.
Wow.
They have meals that are there.
Yes.
And then finally, it may be that you have to have a placement in a nursing home or in a memory care unit. And you wouldn't be spending your resources that were protected. Your income may need to be spent on your care, but Medicaid would be paying for that that nursing home stay or that memory care unit stay. So those are three main areas of benefits that you will receive, among others, if you have your assets protected and you're receiving Medicaid benefits.
Yeah, well, that's awesome. Thank you so much for breaking
Thank
that
you.
down. If you would like more information about Nugen Law, remember, it's never too late to protect your assets. So we'll have their website listed below, and we'll be right back.
This segment sponsored by Nugen Law.